For 100 years, tanks have ruled the battlefield, but now they're being wiped out by drones that cost a fraction of their price. Is this the end of the tank era? Across modern war zones, FPV drones, loitering munitions, and UAVs are taking out tanks at an alarming rate, and it's happening for one simple reason: tanks weren't built to fight enemies from above. A modern battle tank costs anywhere from $5 million to $10 million, and an off the shelf drone, $500. With little explosive, it becomes a deadly kamikaze weapon. Ukraine's use of commercial drones has devastated Russian armor. In just 1 year, thousands of tanks have been disabled or destroyed. And it's not just Ukraine. Azerbaijan, Syria, and even insurgent groups are proving that drones are the ultimate tank killer. Most tanks are designed for frontal attacks: thick armor in front, thinner on top. But drones strike from above, hitting weak spots where even advanced tanks are vulnerable. Some tanks have active protection systems, like Israel's Trophy or Russia's Arena, but these systems struggle against swarm attacks or drones flying too low to be detected. Military leaders aren't giving up on tanks just yet. Countries are rushing to develop anti drone jammers, electronic warfare systems, and even laser defenses to counter these threats. But is it enough? Some believe tanks must evolve or risk becoming relics of the past. Drones have changed modern warfare forever. They're cheap, effective, and deadly. Tanks won't disappear overnight, but their dominance on the battlefield is over. What do you think? Are tanks becoming obsolete? Let us know in the comments.